Right now, I just pulled up to a gun and pawn shop in Sarasota, and I just want to kind of show you what's going on in Sarasota right now if you are a gun shop owner. Just a little FYI. It's like literally jam-packed.
So when you start getting into different price tags, you start getting like different bulbs.
So as you can tell, it is jamming in there, and it's been like this for like weeks upon weeks upon weeks. I think even since like March 1st when we first started looking for a gun, and just every single shop. But at least now they have like inventory, where before they had nothing. It was like bare bones. It was crazy. But anyways, just thought I'd give you a little insight on what's happening in Sarasota, because the world is so different right now everywhere.